What you thinking?
I don't know. I was finna start it off, but I like. Eh.
Is it recording right now?
Yes, it is.
Oh. Oh, you cutting all this out, ain't you?
Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right. Serious mode.
Serious mode.
What's going on, everybody? Darius here. I'm gonna hit you up with a update on the Mach 1 with a special guest. That's right. That's Marcellous from CCCello Tv. Yo,
Make sure y'all subscribe, or I will kill you. Wait, am I looking at the camera? Or I will kill you. I know where you live. I know where you live. Give me the camera, bro.
sorry for that. Yeah, we got the motor out. Took me a good minute. So Marcellus, where's the Mach 1 at?
I don't know. I know what that is over there, though. But I mean, that's a Lamborghini over there. Y'all want to see? Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, cut that part out.
Why are you?
I'm hurting myself.
Don't fly away, cause it is windy.
God! I have to fold it up. All right, I got it.
All right, guys. Yep.
Oh my God, it was cold shit.
Here's the shell of the Mach 1. Ain't nothing in it, as you can see. Well, there's stuff in it, but extra stuff. Don't worry about that. But yeah, anybody want to buy this thing? You know, I got you.
Get off me! God!
Like I said, check out his channel, CCCello Tv.
Oh, CCCello TV. Make sure y'all check it out. You know, if you don't, you're dead.
Yeah.
Comedy channel. Y'all gonna laugh. Trust me. If you don't laugh, then you must not have a soul.
Do you have a soul?
Nah, I'm a 666 demon all day. Y'all already know what it is. I'm just playing.
I'm strictly Jesus Christ himself. I love him. That's my man.
We're married.
Bruh. What'd you just say?
I don't know, but it sounds like a kid just got kidnapped.
And there's Damien driving.
Hey. How are you?
But yeah, it's Christmas Eve. We about to go to this little Christmas thing. Kind of the reason why we kind of look all snazzy. You know what I'm saying? Snazzy.
Right, we about to go sing some Christmas carols in front of everybody's door.
That was a nice 5-0. I don't know what that was. I don't know where it came from, but that was a nice 5-0.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Am I looking at you? Merry Christmas. Subscribe to me and I'll give you some peanut butter.
Alright guys, just a little update. I put a new transmission on there because the other one, I was slick done with that. I recently painted the valve covers this week. Sorry.
Is that right?
Video.
What the?
Anyway, did you see that red Mustang driving in the backyard?
I figured it was that red Mustang.
Yeah, I saw it. Like, whoa.
Merry Christmas! We gotta go at the same time. I thought you was gonna fake me out.
I thought you was gonna be. Hey, retry.
You didn't even say Merry Christmas. You said roar. You said roar.
I was getting to that.
We were supposed to say Merry Christmas at the same time.
Anyway, it's Christmas Day. The next day, that Christmas party was fun last night. Yeah. We didn't finish the video from last night because my camera died, and we were just like, you know what? We are running late. Let's go ahead and knock this out. But yeah, update for the Mach 1. So I'm waiting for parts again.
No, y'all remember me.
Yep, that's
Did you already
Marcellous.
subscribe? Wait, this is all gonna be one video.
Yeah, it's gonna be one video. I don't think.
Well, just
Anyway.
remember, if you don't, you're dead.
Say what?
If you don't subscribe, you're dead. I know your address. Yes, you. Yes, I'm talking to you. Oh, you're just not gonna say anything? That's cool. Merry Christmas, everybody.
So I put a new transmission on there. Yes, I'm going automatic. Just cause I can.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I am putting new exhaust on here. I'm just kind of waiting for the exhaust to come in the mail. That's the only reason why this is not in the car right now. I did put the Mach 1 wiring harness in this dash. There's a heater cord for the Mach 1. Need to change that out because I ain't got no heat. And that sucks. Not having heat. Sucks. Doesn't it?
Yeah. It does. I almost fell in the front of your hood. How we doing, guys? You know, Darius, I don't know where he went, but this is his parts. He wanted me to record the rest and tell y'all about his car and the Mach 1 itself. Okay. What the fuck? This man.
Finna swap the Mach 1 with me in it. Got some horsepower. Serious horsepower.
This is whack-a-mole. If you pull your head out, you're done. This man is inside his car.
Yeah, there's nothing in here, as you can see. Yep. Like I said, if anybody want to buy a roller, that's a Mach 1 roller, hit me up. It's Mach 1 VIN and everything, you know. Skills.
Hey!
What?
I thought that's what happens when you.
Yeah, you make doors.
Slow down.
No. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of that video. It was just a little update, you know. So it was just an update what's going on with the Mach 1. I ain't gonna tell you what I got in the mail, but stuff is coming. Stuff is coming. Remember that.
Hope y'all having a good Christmas going right now, because I mean a lot of people don't get anything, but it's cool. You know, make sure you love your people. If you don't love your people, then just love your presents.
But it's not about gifts.
Yeah, it's not about gifts. It's really about just loving your family and loving your pets. It's about the gifts.
It's about the gifts. Anyway.
But follow my channel, you know, Cello TV.
It should be.
It's gonna be in the link.
It's gonna be either in this like circle right here, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, when people put the box like right here,
Yeah,
is it on my neck right now?
I don't know. It's gonna be somewhere at the end of the video. I don't know if it's gonna be over here, or right in the middle, but it's gonna be there. But like I said, or like we said, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Good New Year's. Good New Year's. Did I really say
Good
that?
New Year's.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year's. And all of that. And yeah. We see you on the next video when hopefully this thing will be in my car.
Right.
Alright?
Frozen pops. Nothing. Let's just edit this out.
We're gonna edit that out.
Okay, good. Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Merry Karma.
Merry Chrysler. Merry Chrysler.
Merry Christmas.
Chrysler.
Merry what?
I don't know. Let's zoom up.
I don't know how to do any of this. I can't take nothing apart. I'm just funny.